Hello my friends and welcome again to my channel. On this video I am going to remove the valve cover for this Audi Q5 and check out the lifters, hydraulic lifters, to make sure that they're good. I already put this back the second time and I was having a misfire and it taking noise which it was coming from this side. So I opened this, I took out this breather here, and I found out that that lifter, it was crooked and it wasn't sitting straight, it was on the side, so it scratched the camshaft, unfortunately. But I don't think this would be this would affect the driving. Still good, it's just a little bit scratched. Anyways, I want to make sure that all of my lifters and they're sitting how they should. So, and also it gave me a timing correlation issue, which could be from that, but I also want to check the timing on this car. That might be a little bit annoying because I might have to remove these again, but I'm gonna get to this right now. And first I'm gonna remove this cover and then we'll inspect the lifters. So let's get started. Okay guys, I took the valve cover away and now we're gonna inspect the lifters. Let's see if they look okay. which I think they do look fine. These are different though. I wonder if yeah, fine. I don't really see anything that's off. I would say other than this section is pushed in this way and this section is pushed that way. This section is pushing this way and that section is pushed in that way. I don't know if that's how it should be like, but these lifters, let's see, they do seem like they might be collapsed though, some of them, and I think a good way to test them would be to push them in. Let's see. Okay guys, I'm removing all the lifters, and yeah, make sure it's in top dead center so the springs won't be doing any pressure. And this one I just have to turn it a little bit clockwise so it's top dead center. But I noticed the one that made the noise, yeah, it did scratch this camshaft. Yeah, I don't feel like it would make a big difference on the driving. I think it's okay. It feels a bit flat still, so yeah, that's, you know, if you guys hear any noise coming from your engine after you assemble it, just make sure to check, okay? Because this could have been a lot worse. And look at the lifter, how it is, this lever. Look, if you can see, right here, that's not good how it got worn. Yeah, that's pretty bad. So I mean, still spins. I don't think, I might just get a new one because that means less weight, but we'll see if I might be able to reuse this one, even though it's shaped right here. So we'll keep that in mind. And yeah, I'm removing the one by one, and I will inspect them all, make sure they all hold pressure. Okay, all right guys, so I want to show you here. I kind of messed up when I built this, the top of the cylinder head with the lifters. There's two sizes of rollers, see, on these lifters lever, see. So there's this size, there's a small one, and check this out guys, there's a big one, look. So the big size goes on the intake. See how, because this one doesn't move, so it has to go on the intake size. The big one, this big roller, is gonna go on the intake size, see guys. And then you have a smaller one, okay, that goes on the exhaust side. Why? Because this exhaust side, it has a variable timing system where it moves, so it needs that extra space. So see how it needs to have a light here. I'm gonna show you so that you guys know. See how there's some space, because it will change from this one to this one, so it needs to be actually smaller. If you know, if there's that gap is not there, then you're gonna have all kinds of timing issues, and it will mess up the whole system. So make sure the big roller is on that side, and the small roller is on this side. Also, my lifter is collapsed because it's supposed to spring, so it's not compressing. I should be able to compress it, even though like I just took it out of the engine. It should be able to have some compression like a spring, but it's not. So I'm gonna change the lifters, and I'm gonna make sure that this is on the right spot, and see, that should fix the car. Here's a comparison, guys, so you guys can compare both. See, one roller is taller and the other one is not. So what's gonna happen? This is gonna roll regardless, right? But it's gonna be off, because why? It's too much. It's gonna have too much light, and this one is small roller, so it's not gonna open the valve. So guys, this is why it's very important. So make sure you don't make the same mistake that I did. Okay, please don't do this mistake. Watch my video, share it if you guys are gonna do this job. This is one mistake that is very easy to overlook, because most engines, they're the same. Yeah, they have all the same lifters and rollers for both cam, but this one is different, guys. So keep that in mind. Share my video, rewatch it again if you want. But yeah, this is it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna upload another video when the car is with all the lifters in the right place. I'm gonna take the camshaft out, put them all back how they should, and hopefully, I think, yeah, this is why it was working bad. So I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching.